Welcome, motherfuckers, to Racing Division 1, the only football series where you see tits explode! Tits and explosions are man's best friend, so why not have exploding tits? Yeah! Hey girl, how you doing? Yeah, motherfucker! Wendy Williams' tits! Exploded! Oh yeah! The Queen's tits!
In this past year,
Exploded! Emma Watson's tits! Oh, there's a bit there. But let's begin Racing Division 1! New music! In my last game I lost to this guy!
Paw!
Twat! So I decided to be Argentina! Oh look, I'm playing Bayern Munich!
Just like I'm playing, Bayern.
Ah, f*** it! This was by no means going to be an easy game as he fouled the back of the net with his first strike. But I came back like a boomerang, forcing an error in his defense for my benefit. Own goal, bitch! But I had to swallow my words as he scored again. And yes, my friends, he indeed managed to score again. Not today. Not today! Not today! Not today! Yeah. But yes, I indeed won the game.